How to transform your Mac keyboard to make typewriter noises. So basically, right now I have it on. No, I have it off. So basically, if I just turn this on, it will activate the typewriter noises. Pretty cool. Basically, what you want to do is go to the Apple symbol, you want to press System Preferences, and you want to go to Accessibility, scroll down until you find Keyboard, and then you want to go to Slow Keys, you want to press Enable it, but you also want to press Options, and press Use Click Key Noises. And basically, you can, if you want, you can make it delayed. I like to have it not delayed, and you press OK. I also recommend to press this, so you can show it at the top here, you can see, so you can turn it on and off whenever you want in an instant. And then once you've done that, you can basically just go to the corner, and then you have it activated right now. Pretty cool. And then just turn off, and it is off. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have really annoying typing sessions. Bye.